Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Enjoy yourself with these fabulous African hairstyles for women. Braided hairstyles are by far the modest way to style your hair. Women all over the world use braids to protect their beauty from environmental damage, as well as show off their wild imagination. I really love these types of braids. They are so beautiful and cute. If you're thinking of getting some braids, we've compiled 50 current African braid styles for you to choose from. These tribal braids with curls perfectly complement any skin tone and face shape. You can also choose the size of coils to soften a strong jawline, create the illusion of volume, or make your face appear slimmer. It's a famous tribal braiding style from West Africa's Fila people. Kindly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative hair braids. The thin braids are versatile and stylish, making it a top pick among young girls and mature females alike. See you again in my next video. Thank you.